Well, another day, another update, or at least another rollout of an update, because I haven't even got this update yet. It's update 64 for the Quest 3. Let's go through the list for another opportunity to have even more reasons to mess our lovely hair up for VR. Alright, so let's go through the big points of the update. Update 64, I got it right off the top of my head for Meta Quest 3. I guess there's some features too as well. And yeah, it's released, or started to roll out on April the 8th, is now the 15th of April, and I still don't have the update. What the hell? Let me just double check. I literally don't have it, I don't think. They're not offering me it, guys. Why is my life like this? Why they do me like this? You know, it's just some bull. Yeah, it's not anywhere. There's nothing. So that's my Chinese inlay interface thing comes apart. Let's go through the list here. Lying down now on Quest 3. It was on Quest 2 first for some reason. So for anyone that's thinking, hey, Quest 2 is done, you're only updating that thing. Sometimes with features even before the Quest 3, because the mixed reality and other things make it a little bit more complicated, I guess, as well. But now you can finally have relations while using your Quest 3 or 2. This is great. You can maybe like use some VR deepfake technology to swap your partner out with your favorite Care Bear or any other cool things like that. So that's really great. And they say you can relax and recline for casual experiences, including media playback. Oh yeah, I suppose there's media playback and state. Oh yeah, that's true. Stationary versus gaming. Yeah. Okay, but I wasn't what I was thinking of. But okay, that's what it's for. I get it now. So that's useful. You have external mic support because the mic on Quest 3 is garbage, apparently, and I've never used it. So I can install a external USB-C mic. So that means you can put your Shure SB 7B mic, your Joe Rogan mic into your way there. I don't think you can actually, because that's a different kind of connection thing, imagery. But maybe you can put your Turtle Beach mic into here, and it will sound better. It won't sound like you're speaking from a space station. Whatever you put in there, it will be better. Good luck with the battery though, because the battery will be dead by the time you even use the mic for 2 minutes. But hey, at least you got the option. Another option. This is one I'm really excited about. Only second to be able to lie down with a lady while playing games using my Quest. This particular feature here, continue casting when headset is taken off. The amount of times you're recording with this thing with games that you can't capture them on like the PC, but you capture the display, so you won't care about this probably. As soon as you take this thing off, cuts off. Very annoying. So this should make recording Quest exclusive games much more easier. You probably just have to cut out the dark points. Now they're saying that it means that you can actually just like take a drink and remember there's people in the world and like say hi to friends or whatever. The problem with that is it assumes that you have friends. Anyways, so that's the thing now, so that's good. So as long as it's cut off, you have to tell it when you are ready to stop sharing the screen within the device. So that is something that's going to be much less of a headache and a great feature to be added. Very happy about that. That's wicked. Directly join friends in Meta Horizon Worlds. No one uses Meta Horizon Worlds, so no one cares about that feature. And pass for it. No, I'm joking. Do you guys use Meta Horizon Worlds? Do you have friends? Do you want to be my friend on Meta? I don't want to talk about that one anymore. Just let me know about it in the comments. Pass-through improvements is going to make pass-through look sexy. That's another exciting feature of the thing. I think that's my free really. Lying down, using your Quest 1 naked, being able to continually cast even when you take off the thing, talk to people, but more likely just so that you don't have to keep tending to record again each time, which is really annoying. It wants to talk to people. And then pass-through improvements, so improved resolution and improved image quality. That means that you can finally Quest and text, because you can actually see what's on your damn phone. So that's pretty cool. So there you go, that is the update. Have you guys got it yet? What do you think of update 64 for the Meta Quest 3? And have you been enjoying the lie down mode on Quest 2 before all of us? We're not jealous, we just hate you. Share your thoughts below on this update. I always thought that the Quest updates are freaking dope. I wish the PlayStation VR 2 and other devices had updates like the Quest devices do, because they are sick. Even though I think they've stopped support for Quest 1 now after many years, but Quest 2, Quest 3 updates are unparalleled in industry. Sometimes they give you updates that literally change what the device could even do on the box, which is just really awesome. It doesn't feel like they're holding back on the updates just so they can sell you another one or something like that. And that's something I really do love, so respect to Meta for that. Let me know what you think about this segment and the updates in the usual places. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out to get naked to using your Quest while lying down. I'm not jealous, I'll be able to do it soon enough, hopefully. Maybe the update will pop up now it's been running for a few minutes. Video on the screen as well.